Today we are discussing RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims Quantity Aptitude Grand Test 160. So we'll go for the questions directly. Look at the first one. Pipe A takes 16 hours to fill a tank while pipe B takes 18 hours to empty it. When the tank was completely full, first one is filling pipe, second one is emptying pipe. First one is filling pipe and second one is empty pipe. Then we have to take a LCM for the 16 and 18. First 16, second one is 18. LCM value is 144. It is a 9 times, it is a 8 times, but it is a minus. Why we are indicating with minus? It is empty. Pipe B was opened alone for 12 hours. Alone it is opened for 12 hours. Already it is a 144 liters is filled for it. So alone it is filled for 12 hours means, so 12 will be multiplied. It is equal to how many liters? 12 is 96 liters already dropped down. So it is empty pipe now. So 8 minus into 12 means it is a how many liters are dropped down out of 144? 96 is dropped down. 96 dropped down means remaining is how many liters are left. Then out of 144, so 96 will be dropped down. For example, 44 is left out of 100 drop down. So 44 is left means, so what we can write? It is a 48 liters are there. Then pipe A was also opened. Now it is a pipe was opened. When A is also open, A and B at a time opener, then how many liters are reserved? 1 liters are reserved for 1 hour. So 9 liters are filling by A and B is emptying 8 liters. Only 1 liter is reserved for 1 hour. Then we require now, what is the question they are asking? Fill the tank up to the half of its capacity. Out of 144, half of its capacity means how many liters we required? 72 liters. Out of 72 liters, already 48 liters reserved. Then 1 hour, 1 liter will be filling means extra we required how many liters? 24 liters. 48 plus 24, which is equal to 72. Then for the 1 hour 1 liter purpose, 24 liters purpose, how many hours are required? 24 hours are required. Then our option is what here? 24 hours to require to fill in the half of the tank. And go for the next question. A and B left a place with P different speeds which are in the 5:4 respectively. A started after 8 seconds after B. A is always started, so 18 seconds after completing starting by B. If 36 seconds after departure by B, A is 75 meters apart from B. So A ఎప్పుడైనా 18 seconds తర్వాతే స్టార్ట్ అవుతాడు. సో B 36 seconds లో వెళ్ళినప్పుడు, so A is already completed how many seconds? 18 seconds. Their speeds are 18 into 5. This is the time into speed. And here is 36 into 4. Here is also time into speed. Time into speed, time into speed, you will get a distance. And 18 2s are 4 2s are 8. This is the 8 parts and this is the 5 parts. Here is how many parts difference? 3 parts difference. It is a difference is how many meters? 75 meters. 3 parts to 75, 25 meters. Multiply. Then now required 4 2s are, these are 8 parts. We need 8 parts value. 8 parts value 25 8 it is a 200 meters. B completed 200 meters in how many seconds? 36 seconds. In how many seconds? 36 seconds. Now we are getting a speed, but we require the speed in kilometer per hour. We require the speed in how? Kilometer per hour. For that we are multiplying with 18 by 5. When you are multiplying with 18 by 5, you will get an answer. 18 2s are 5 2s are 10, 0 will be completed, then 20 kilometer per hour. Then B speed is 20 kilometer per hour. Option D here. Move for the next question. From a rectangular plank having a length and breadth is 5x and 4x. This is a rectangular sheet. In a rectangular sheet, it is a 5 and it is a 4. Again, you are going to cutting a x width of the sheet another sheet you are going to cut from this sheet. So this is becoming here, coming to here, it is a double value will be decreased. It is becoming 2 and it is becoming 3 now. So area of here 5 into 4, area of here is 3 into 2. But they are given a another rectangle plank is cut out. Yes, this is a second rectangle is cut out, leaving a uniform width of x centimeter all around. If the area of the smaller plank is 150, here is 3x, here is 2x, here is 4x and 5x, and 3x into 2x which is equal to 150, and here 3 2s are cancel, it is becoming 25. X square is equal to 25 means x is equal to what? 5. X is equal to 5. Then x is equal to 5 means it is becoming 5 2s are values. It is a area value is 150 already we known. Here x value once we known, we have to calculate here 5 5s are 25 and 4 5s are 20. Now area of big rectangle 25 into 20 is equal to how many meters? square 500 centimeter square, but small rectangle is 150. 500 to 150, whatever the difference is there, that is the difference width is. This is the difference we required. This is the difference area is required. The difference area is how to get from big rectangle, small rectangle will be removed. 500 minus 150, our answer is what? 350 centimeter square. So option is D here. And move for the next question. X is invested scheme A 25% is simple interest for 4 years. The same sum is invested in scheme B at 50% per annum compound interest, compounded annually for 2 years. Find the ratio of required. What ratio? Amounts ratio is required. First, A person is invested 100 rupees for how much percentage? 25 percentage for how many years? 4 years. 25 for the 100. That means he is invested 100 rupees, means he will get 100 rupees as interest. Total amount became a how much rupees? 200. This is for what? First scheme A. And coming to the B also invested same sum, 100 rupees invested. 100 rupees invested na, every year he will get how much rupees interest? 50 rupees. First he is invested 100. First year he is getting a interest is how much rupees? 50. Second year is also he will get 50. For 50 also he will get half of the 50. That means it is becoming how much? 25. 100 plus 50 plus 25. Overall it is 225. 225 and 200 both are cancelled with 25. It is the ratio is what is the ratio? 8 is to 9. Option is A. And next one, the area, sorry, there are 4 numbers. So A, B, C and D. The average of all 4 numbers is C. Find the average of A, B, D. Look at, there are 4 numbers are there. A average is C and B average is C average is C, D average is C. Average means all the variables are contained same. Yes, A, B, C, D here. So now we are skipping the C. What is the average of all the 4 numbers are C. Find the average of both A, B, D. Whom average is required? A, B, D. That means we are skipping whom? C is skipped. Now A, B, C average is what? C plus C by C, which is equal to what? C only. C plus 3C by 3 is equal to C only. Average is what here? C. Next question. We have a data. So based on the data we have to calculate. Look at the given line graph shows the total number of furniture, chair plus table. This is the total furniture. And this is about furniture of total chairs only. This is a bar graph is belongs to chair and line graph is belongs to total furniture of what? So chairs plus table. And the bar graph shows the percentage of chairs. It is a percentage of chairs sold out, total number of furniture sold by 5 different sellers. We'll move for the question. What was the question they're asking here? Look at, find the ratio of number of tables sold by, find the ratio of number of tables sold by E and the number of chairs sold by A. So we require E value is required. E value is how much? 400. In this home we required what? Tables. This is belongs to chairs. Remaining percentage belongs to tables. Here is E 50% chairs means 50% table. E 50% value 200. And ratio to next the number of chairs sold by A. Number of chairs sold by A means A is how many chairs? 480. In this 480 how much percentage? 25%. First one is required table, second one is required chairs. Then 480 half value is 240, 240 half value is so 120. Then cancel the values. 20 and 12 both are cancelled with 4. 5 is to 3. Our option is what here? D. For the same data, we'll move for the next question. Out of total number of furniture sold by B, 60% is what? Plastic and rest wooden. Here, look at B value 500. In this 500, 60% belongs to plastic, means remaining 40% belongs to rest wooden. Then, if the number of wooden chairs sold by B is 80, okay, so 40%. In 500, 40% value 200. 4 5 is 20. In this 200, so 80 is belongs to chairs. So then find the number of wooden tables. So remaining is how many? 120 is the tables. Then 120 is our answer for this question. And let's move for the next question. Here find the difference between 25% of number of chairs sold by C. So C 25%. 25% of number of chairs sold by C here. Find the difference between, we need chairs. C 640. In this we require how much percentage? 35%. In this again we require how much percentage? 25%. Directly I will take 25% of 140. 25% is equal to 1 by 4th. 1 by 4th of 640. 1 by 4th of 640 is equal to how much? 160. Yes, 160. Yes. So 4 1s are 4 6. Yes, 160. 1 by 4th of 640 is 160. In this 160 we require how much percentage? particularly 35%. So 35% of 640 of 25% apply also, you will get same. And 50% of number of tables sold by B. B is 500. In this 500, how much percentage? 40% belongs to chairs. Then 60%, 60% of 500. In this we require 50%. 50% means directly we can write 1 by 2. Better to write 1 by 2. And these values are required to getting a differences. So 35% of 160, we can write 70% of 80. 70% of 80, 7 8 is 56. Here the value is 56. And 2 to 60, and 30% of 500. 3 5 is 150. So 150. So 150 to 56 difference is how much? That is our answer here. So 150 to 56, our answer is, it is 94. 150 to 56 difference is, answer is 94, option E here. Let's move for the next question for the same data. So look at the number of chairs sold by D and E together. The number of chairs sold by D and E together. D value is 320 and E value is 400. In this we require chairs value. So D is how much percentage? 75%. In 320, 1 by 4th is equal to 80. But we required 80 will be removed. Now you will get remaining value. That is value is 260. 260? No, it is a 80 will be removed means it is a what? 1 by 4th and 3 by 4th. 8 is a 240. It is 240. And E together. E is also how much percentage? 50%. That's we require 200. Is how much percentage more or less than the number of tables sold by D? D value is 320. In this we required 75% is chairs. 75% chairs means remaining value is 80. So 25% remaining value 25% is 25% is equal to 1 by 4th. 1 by 4th of 320 is equal to 80. Now we have to compare, of course, 240 plus 200, which is equal to 440. 440 is always more than the 80. How much more? We need percentage multiply with 100. It is a how much? 360. 360 plus 80 is equal to 440. Then cancel the numbers to getting an answer. 4 2s and 4 9s and 2 50s. That means it is equal to 950s. 950s is equal to how much percentage? 450%. Option is A. Next, find the average number of tables sold by A and C. Find the average number of tables sold by A and C. A value is 25%. It is the chairs. We require tables. Tables means we have to calculate for 75%. So 1 by 4th of 480 is equal to 120. 120 is removing from the 480. You will get so 360. That is 360 is belongs to tables for A, and here is 640. 640, it is a 35% belongs to chairs. We required 65%. In 640 we required how much percentage? 65% required. 65% of 640. How to take? We are taking a 130%. 165 double. Here I am making 640 off. 640 off value is what? 320. Then 13 2s are. 13 2s are value is 26. 13 2s are value is 26. 13 3s are. So here 39. 39 plus 2 value is 41. Okay. So 130% is of 320. 13 2s are 26. 2 and 6. 13 3s are 39. 39 plus 2 value is 416. We required what? Find the average number of tables. Average means what we have to do? Sum of observations by number of observations. Then it is 180 and it is 208. 208 plus 180, that is our answer. Our answer is what? 388. Then let's move for the next question. Here we have a directions based on the quadratic equations. We have to focus the options to getting an answer. Look at x square is equal 64. X square is equal 64 means x is equal to plus 8 comma minus 8 or minus 8 comma plus 8. And here y value you will be get y square plus 8y. Y will be common. Y is equal to what you will get? 0 comma minus 8. Are you getting clear? So plus 8 it gone. It is a minus 8. When you are substituting 0 also you will get the answer here. So 0 square plus 0 into 0, it is also clear getting. 0 is a one factor, minus 8 is a one factor. Don't take only minus 8 is a factor. And comparing the values, so 0 to minus 8, 0 is a bigger, okay, and minus 8 to plus 8, here the plus 8 is a bigger. Then comparing to these values, 1 less than 1 greater than means compulsory, you can say cannot be determined. The relation is cannot be established. Next one. So x cube is equal to 216, then x is equal to minus 6. And x y square plus 15y plus 56. What is the factors you can write for y? Here minus 7 comma minus 8. 7 comma 8. So here plus plus means compulsory both are the negative. And comparing the values, Here comparing to both, it is a minus 6 is a greater than x greater than y. Next one. Here 3x plus 2y is equal to 22, 32y is equal to 160, then y is equal to, you will get 5. Y is equal to y, 5 substitute, now you will get x also. What is the x value? 2 5s are. 2 5s are value is 10. 10 will be removing, you will get 12. That means x value is what? 4. So x value is 4, y value 5 means x less than y. Next, x square minus 3x is equal to 10. Then we can write x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Yes. So here is what was the factors will be generated for the x equation from here. So minus 10. Minus 10 purpose we can write 5 comma 2. 5 2s are 10. 5 minus 2 is 3. But we required minus 3. That's purpose we are writing minus 5 plus 2. Then final factors are plus 5 minus 2. These are final factors are plus 5 minus 2. And 7 comma 12. Here the factors are for y. Here what was the factors? 3 comma 4 with including minus. Now comparing the results. Here both are less. And here comparing to here also, then it is a less. X greater than y. X greater than y means option A. Next one, x plus 7 square is equal to x plus 7. This is such a calculation is required. X square plus here, so 14x plus 49, which is equal to x plus 7. This x plus 7 coming this side, it is becoming x plus 13x plus 42 is equal to 0. So now plus 13x plus 42 means the factors are here minus 6 comma minus 7. This is for first equation. Coming to the second equation, y square plus y minus 30 is equal to 0. Then what was the factors you will get? 6 comma 5. 6 comma 5. 6 5 are 30, and here plus 6 minus 5 you will get plus 5. But here is final factors are minus 6 plus 5. Then comparing the results here. Here minus 6 equal minus 6 plus y is bigger. It is a bigger and he is also bigger. Then x less than or equal to y. Then option E here. Next, we have a number series. So we have to discuss the number series now. What was the next number in the series? That's they are asking. 17 became a 98. 17 became a 98 means how much added? 81. 98 became a 26. How much added it is? So 72. Added or subtracted? It is added and it is subtracted. Okay, 26 became a 18 and now it is going to adding. It is how much? 60. 63. Yes, 63. And next, this is look at 9 9 ja, 9 8 ja, 9 7 ja. The next one is 9 5 ja, 9 6 ja. 9 6 ja value is 54. Check it. It is 89. It is a subtractor. It is a 89 minus 54 is equal 35. Now next one is what? Added. Added what is a value? 9 5 ja. It is a 45. It is a 45 plus 35. What is answer? 80. Option A. Next, move for the next question. Here 7 6 10 27 question mark and 5 on 5. Here 7 become a 6, 6 become a 10. Here 7 into 1 minus 1, 6 into 2 minus 2, 10 into 3 minus 3, and 27 into 4 minus 4. Then our answer is 104. 27 4 is 108, 108 minus 4, 104. And next one, 3 4 12 39 question mark. So 3 became a 4, and what we have to do? Here we'll take a gap 1 and it is 8, and here is gap is 27, and here gap is what? This is a 1 cube, this is a 2 cube, this is a 3 cube. It is 64, 4 cube. 39 plus 64. 39 plus 64, 30 plus 60, 90, 9 plus 4. It is a 13. 13 to 90, it is equal to what is answer? 103. Next. Here 9, 3 square, 5 square, 4 square plus 1, 2 square plus 1, 1 square. 1 square, 2 square plus 1, 3 square, 4 square plus 1, 5 square. Next one is 6 square plus 1, which is equal to 37. Option A. So next question, 4 13 54 273 1642. Here 4 into 3 plus 1. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1. Next 13 into 4 13 into 4. 13 into 4 value is 52. Extra added by 2. And next 54 into 5. 54 into 5 values 550s are 250. 5 fours are 20. Extra added 3. And next into 6 plus 4. Here is next one is what? Into 7 plus 5. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 5 means last digit should be 9. What? Only one option is contained, last digit is 9, then option is D. And next we have a bar graph directions. The bar graph represents the sale in a thousands units of companies ABCDE in the month of January 2019. Answer the questions given below on the basis of data. So this is the total data is belongs to 2019 January. So in that too, these are the 1000 units. 51,000, 73,000, 48,000 units. That is based on we have to calculate. Look at the first question. The question is here. The sale of company C is how much percentage more than the company E? The sale of company C. The sale of company C is 48. Is more than the 41. Is more than the 41 means how much more it is? 7 more. And 41 into 100. Directly we should calculate. 41 to 100 how many times? 2 times. It is a 2 times. 2 times means remaining value is 82. 82 will be removed from the 100. You will get 18. Okay. 18 how many times? When you are coming to the decimal, it is a 41 forza. 41 forza. Nearly it is a 41 forza or 41 fiza. You will get 41 fiza. So 2.5, 2.56 something will get. So look at the option which is a suitable here. So so 7 twos are value is 14 and 7 fives are 35. 14 plus 35 means 17 percentage. Nearly you will get how much percentage? 17% is our answer. Next, for the same data, next question is what is the difference between the average sales of company A and B together and C and D together? So A and B together and B and C and D together. So 51 plus 73. 51 plus 73, 124. 124 by 2. And next C and D. C and D value is what? 48 plus 80, which is equal to 128 by 2. We have to take a difference. 124 to 128 difference is how much? 4. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. And all are the units are in 1000 base means 2000. Then answer is what? A. Look at the question. If the sales of company is increases by 25%, E value is increased by 25% in the month of February, and sales of other 4 companies so remain the same. Now the sales of company E and C together in the month of February is what percentage of total sales in the month? E values we have to increase by 25%. That 25% increase is 1 by 4th of 41. 1 by 4th of 40 value is 10. 1 by 4th of 1 value is 0.25. That means here we have to extra increase 10.25 increase for the February month. Remaining all are same. First of all, we have to calculate total value. 50 plus 70, 120. 40 plus 80, 120. 120 plus 120, it is a 240. 240 plus 40, it is a 280. 280. And remaining numbers add it. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. That means overall, this total added, it is equal to what is the value? 293. This is the total values 293. Now the question is again I am repeating, if the sales of company E increased by 25% in the month February and also of other 4 companies remain the same. Now the sales of company E and C together, we require E value and C value together in the month of February is what percentage of total sales in the month? 48 plus 41. 48 plus 41 is equal to 89. 89 plus extra added to 10. It is a 99. 99.25 by 293 into 100. Comparing to actual value, then particularly C and D is how much is comparing. Yes. Then so remaining same in what February month of is what percentage of total sale in that month. Okay. So here we should comparing the values and coming to here particularly they are asking that month means, so this is we have to write it 293 plus 10.25, it is becoming 303.25. Okay, so we'll go with such a values. Look at 100 to 303 3 times, 3 to 99 33 times, then nearly how much percentage? 32.73%. These are drastic changes are there. Then you can easily select the what is the value? 32.73. 73% as per these numbers. Next, what is the ratio of sales of ABC together to the sales of CDE together? Sales of ABC together. ABC 51, 73, 48. This added 120 plus 40, 160. 160 plus extra numbers added. So 8 plus 3 plus 1, it is a 12. 12 added to 160, it is 174. And ratio to CDE together. So 80 plus 80, it is a 160. 169. It is a 169 CDE together. And what is the ratio of here these values? And look at 174, 1 plus 3 4, it is a 2. Okay, so 172 is to 169, then our final answer is D here. 172 is to 169, both are not cancelled by any numbers. Next, 65. If due to some technical problem company A and D production decreased in February and in result their sales decreased by 10% and 15%, particularly it is a and D decreased by 10% and 15%. A value 10% decrease means 10% value 5.1. So D value is 80%, 80 in this 15% is required, 10% is 8, half percent is 4, it is equal to here 12 decrease, then 12 5.1, overall 17 point affected. Overall is how much affected? 71 point decrease. So comparing to, then what is the total decrease in February if sales of other companies remain same? Other companies all are same means then overall value is 293. Comparing to all the values 293. In January total value in previous two questions back we are already collected, no need required, 293. 17.1 is comparing to 293. How much percentage decrease particularly in a so February 17.1 in 293. When you're solving this, so step by step compulsory you will get an answer, then it is equal to 5.84 percentage. Yes, question number 66 now. In Don Bosco school there were 15 more girls than boys. That means girls value is become a B plus 15. If it is boys value is B. Boys value is B, girls value is B plus 15. Comparing to boys, girls value is extra. If the number of girls is increased by 10%, that means it is becoming 110%, and the number of boys is increased by 16%, 116%. And difference between these two is girls and decreased by 6. Previous difference is 15, now it is decreased by 6 means overall difference is what? 9. Once you solve this, we'll get in a boys value. Look at 110% of B, it is, and 116% of B, which is equal to minus 6% of B, and 110% of 15. So here 110% of 15 percentage 15 into 11, it is a 165. 165 by 100, it is a 0 cancel, it is a 16.5 plus 16.5, it comes minus 16.5, 9 minus 16.5, and here you will get 7.5, and you will get 6B, you will get 7.5, and percentage will coming to here multiply with 100. So cancel with 3 2s and 3 25s and 2 50s. Then boys value is becoming 125. Boys value is becoming 125 means comparing to boys, girls value is 15 extra, it is 140. Total student strength is how much? 125 plus 140, which is equal to here 265. Total strength is how much? 265. Move for the next question. ABC enter into a business or started with a business investment ratio 1:2:4. 1 and 2 and 4. And after 6 months, A invested the half of the investment more. That means already he invested 1 rupee, half of invested more means 1.5. Then before as more as before, and B invested double the amount. B invested already 2 rupees invested, is invested more means double invested means it is invested became a 4. Now while C withdraw 1/4. C withdraw 1/4 means 1/4 of 4 rupees is 1 rupee. 1 rupee withdraw means remaining is how much rupees? 3 rupees. Into 6 into 6, no need to write. First half and second half. Total we have to calculate full year. Then we'll write the ratio. 1 plus 1.5, 2.5. This is 2.5. And it is 6 and it is 7. But what we not require the decimal. 2.5 double 5. And 6 double 12. And 7 double 14. Then final answer is 5:12:14. Option C here. Let's move for the next question. When 1/5 of a number, 1/5 of a x is added to 118, which is equal to y square value, it become a y square. So if 1/8 of y is equal to 2.5, 1/8 of y is equal to 2.5. That means 2.5 is multiplied to 8. It is a 200. That is only you will get 20. That is equal to 20 square. 20 square value 400. From 400, 100 remove it, you will get 300. 318 remove it, you will get what is the value? So 300 minus 18, you will get 282. 282. It is x by 5. Then x is equal to the required answer. 5 into 282. 5 into 280 means, so 5 into 200,000. 5 into 80, it is a 400. 5 to the 10. It is equal to 1410. Then option C. And next here, 69th question. The cost of pure milk is 16 rupees per liter. After adding a water, the mixture is sold at 15 rupees per liter. In this way, the milkman earns 25%. So when he sold for 15 rupees, he is getting 25% profit. Then 25% is equal 1 by 4. Every 4 rupees, 1 rupee is a profit. Means the product is sold out for how much rupees? 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 15 rupees. Means original cost is how much rupees? 12 rupees. Before water adding or mixture value. So overall mixture value, this is not water adding. It is a mixture value 1 by 4th of 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 15 rupees means 4 parts is equal to 12 rupees. Then mixture cost value is 12 rupees. Then original pure milk value 16 rupees. 16 rupees milk, and you are adding extra water. Water value is 0 and total mixture value is 12 rupees. Now take a difference. Here is 4 and 12. Then finally you will get milk and water ratio. What is the ratio here? 3:1. Quantity, what is the ratio? 3:1. Option A. Next, a bookshelf contains 2, 3, 4. Overall is how many books? 4 plus 3, 9 books are there. So if 2 books are picked, overall how many books we have to pick? 2 books we have to pick. Then what is the probability that either all are Sanskrit? All are Sanskrit means Sanskrit book is how much? 4. 4C2. R. Particularly R mentioned, we can write R. Then R is equal to plus. All are English books. English is how much? 2. 2C2. 2C2 value is 1. 4C2 value 6. And 9C2 value is, only one option is contained in numerator is 7. 9C2 value is 36. 9 into 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is equal to 4. 4 9s are 36. 6 plus 1 by 36 is equal to 7 by 36. Next, we have a simplification based on the approximation. Solve it. 234.98 is equal, right? 235. 56. And look at 63. This is, you can write 56 divided by 63 divided by 9. 9 is dividing to 63, which is 7 times. 7 is dividing to 56, it is 8 times. 235 plus 8, 243. Option is D. Next, 22.22, we can write 22 minus x plus 12 is equal to 8.99. We can write 9 square, it is equal to 81 and 105. And 80 plus 20, 100. 100 is, so cancel. And 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5 cancel. So look at extra how much left? X value is equal to 10 left. Then option D. Next question, 18.91. 18.91, what we can write here? 19 into 15.89, we can write 16 plus 16 by what is the value? 8. 8 2s and 8 2s, it is equal to 40. Then option B. Next, 59.98 square, which is right, 52 square minus 28 square plus x square, which is equal to 2596. And 52 square value is 2704. And 28 square value 784. Okay, 704, 704 cancel. From 2080 remove it. From 2080 remove it, you will get 1920 plus x square, which is equal to 2596. Okay, so 19 is removing from the 25, you will get 6. And 20 is removing from the 96, you will get 76. And x square is equal to 76 means x is equal to what is the value? 26. Then our answer is option A. Next, 49.19, we can write 49 plus 5.96, we can write 6. 6 3s are, this is 3 and 6, it is a 18 minus 7 9s. 7 9s value is 63. Okay, so 50 plus 8, for example, it is a 68. But instead of 68, you can take 67. 67 minus 63, answer is what? 4. Option D. And next, so 79.99%, that's we can consider 8%. 80% of 225 plus 5.96 cube, nothing but it is a 6 cube, it is right, 216 plus x, and 35.96 square, it is a 1225 because it is a 35 square. And cancel the values which are going to cancel. 80% of 225. 80% means we can write 4 by 5. This is overall value. We can write what is the value? 4 by 5. 5 cancel it. 5 fours are 5 fives are. And 45 fours are 45 fours are. It is equal to 180. 180 plus 216 plus x is equal to 1225. And here all are added. 180 plus 216, it is equal to 396. It is equal to 396. 396, assume it 400. 400 removing from the 1225, it is a 825. 825. But we are not removing a, so 400. We are removing only 396. That's why we are adding extra 4. It is equal to finally 825 plus 4, 829. Option is A. And 14.98 percentage, we can write 15 percentage of, so 23.98 we can write 24 into 24.89 we can write 25 minus x is equal to 15 by 96 is into, and 30 by 8, 8 2s are, it is equal to 60. And 25 into 24, 25 is 6, 25 24 is 600 minus x. In this we need how much percentage? 15 percentage. 15 percentage required. 15 6 the value is 90. Okay, percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. 90 minus 60 is equal to 60. It is equal to x is equal to what is the value we should substitute? 30. Then option A. And 34.97 percentage, we can write 35 percentage of 400 minus 70 percentage of 600 is equal to x minus 30 percentage of 1500. This is our question. Now we'll calculate 35 fours are. Here 35 fours are 35 double 70, 70 double is 140, and 7 6 are 42, it is a 420, x minus 315 it is a 450. Okay, now here minus 450 it comes plus 450, from plus 450 420 will be removed. So here to here cancel, you will get plus 30. Then plus 30 is 140 is both are added, you will get 170. Option is D. Next, root of 783.98. So root of 786, this is you can write 784. So plus 6.9 square you can write 7 square into 7.9 you can write 8 is equal to x plus 14 square. This is the original one. Root of 784 value is 28 plus 7 square value is 49. 49 8 ja 58 ja 58 ja is so 400. So but here the 49 8 ja, that means 1 8 will be less. It is equal to here 392 is equal to x plus 196. Okay, so 28 and 392 and x plus 196. Here is how to calculate. 196 is removing from the 302. For example, here 192 assume it. 192 is removing from the 302. It is equal to what is the value? 200. And extra what is the value is there? 4. 4 is removing from the 28. You will get 24. 200 plus 24, 224. Option is what? D. Next, 14.93 square, we can write 15 square, it is equal to 225 minus 1400 by 27.9, you can write 28, which is equal to x into 25. And which are the cancel it? 14 2s and 2 50s. 50 removing from the 225, which is equal to 175, x into 25. 25 to 175, how many times? 7 times. Then option D.